Since joining the ministry as a Minister for Women, Children and Poverty Alleviation, this is one issue that has been bothering me in my ministry, that is the welfare of the underprivileged, and under that we have the mentally challenged. And as mentioned earlier, it's a growing social problem that we need to tackle, and I believe that the demand for services is increasing by the day. And sad to say that many of the mentally challenged members are not accepted. Many, if I may say, many are not accepted back into families by the immediate family members. There are various reasons to that, and one of them could be that the families are already burdened with their responsibilities and they tend to neglect. And we have come across during our beggar profiling over the months that we have close to 19, and it's increasing by the day, the number of mentally challenged on our roads, and it's really a very sad and I think a very appalling sight as well, that we as a society cannot do much for them. And I can assure you that we will not neglect these members, and we do have plans for them which we will be discussing later on. But at the moment, if I can thank you for the services that you provide, and thank you to the staff and the Board of Governors for your generosity in ensuring that collectively we make life much better for the members, and I think this is going to benefit the hospital a lot. And we look forward for more stakeholders coming on board to support this. I mean, at the end of the day, I think those of us who have enough or who have a lot, we owe it to the disadvantaged members of our community. We need to share what we have with others, and I think all our religious values teach us about sharing. Some of us have too much, some of us have nothing, and it's that value of sharing and caring for others we need to reinstill into our families, and everything goes back to family values. And pushing away these mentally challenged on our roads, and that is not a sign of a good progressive society. It saddens, I think it saddens everybody to see them sleeping on the streets, in the rain, in the sunshine, sleeping on pavements. We have gone across to see them, but unfortunately there is no solution at the moment. And I only hope and wish that before this number had increased, something could have been done to ensure that they do not live on our streets. But still, we have the time, we have the willpower, and I think collectively we should be able to assist them for the simple fact that they are members. They are members of our family, they are members of our community, and most of them fall within that senior citizen groups. And sadly, last Sunday I drove across Suva. That's what I normally do when I track my beggars operation. I manage the beggars operation, and I come and see who's on the streets. I've seen a couple of new faces, and shocking to say, they had probably the whole suitcase pack of everything. They even had a mattress. One person even had a mattress and 2 or 3 bags. So it is obvious that the families are pushing them out. Yes. And if we can appeal to the families to show more humanity, to show more compassion. I mean, these are the members who have lost, not should I say lost, these are the members who are not able to think for themselves. They are not able to look after themselves. And we owe it, And I'm sure, 100% sure that there are families out there. There are families out there who do not want to accept them. And to those families, you still have not lost out anything. There still is time, You can accept these members back into your family, and we will go out of our way to assist you in every possible manner. Please do not see the mentally challenged as a burden. They are members, right? They need love, care, and affection like any other member of the family. And for the hospital, I think you're doing a great job. I know challenges are there in terms of manpower, in terms of resources, but I'm sure that the government of the day is committed to ensuring that we provide and deliver services to the disadvantaged across all Fiji. Please, the patients under your care look up to you, okay? and those responsible for looking after them, show them compassion, show them care, show them love, as they have nobody to tend to. And in case you need us to locate the families, you have patients here where families don't turn up, please do contact us. We will try to go out of our way to locate for the families, because it's time we held families responsible. We have to hold families responsible, and we will assist you in that cause. So with these words, once again, thank you very much, and
Thank you.
oh, thank you, thank you.
See, we can hold it up.
Thank you. Thank you. See, you take the big one. Oh. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, take the